Ben Affleck and Matt Damon's tight friendship faces a roadblock. Ben Affleck and Matt Damon are great friends. However, their spouses apparently are not, prompting the stars to try to restore their relationship, but to no effect. The two's friendship dates back to high school, but their partners do not appear to get along well. Insiders blamed this on Jennifer Lopez's re-entry into the Batman star's life, which strained his tight bond with the Martian's actor's wife, Luciana Barroso. Met Lucy the same year Jennifer and Ben split up the first time, she said. Sharing Jennifer's perspective, a source told Star magazine that the closeness gets on her nerves and makes her feel that Lucy thinks she is better than her or something. According to a confidant, the megastars were working together to overcome the gap. But as they say, it never goes well. The two apparently planned a trip to relieve tensions. Ben and Matt think it would be great if the four of them could jet to Mexico for a weekend, the source said. The guys can't force them, but they are getting awfully tired of this. Meanwhile, at the 2024 Golden Globes, the four of them sat at the same table, providing a glimmer of optimism. But okay, a magazine indicates that it was solely for the cameras.